What's up guys, it's Denny and today I'm bringing you a new tutorial. Today it's going to be very short, but some of you guys were asking how I'm adding these textures to my projects, and it's actually really easy, so today I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So for purposes of this video, I created this simple animation of hourglass spinning. You can use it on any animation you have. So what we kind of want to do is to add a texture to our hourglass shape. So for this you have to download a texture from the internet. I downloaded this and I'm gonna link it down below so that you can work with me. And we have to upload it to After Effects and scale it so that it's slightly bigger than our composition, and you're gonna see why. And then we have to put the layer, our texture, behind our hourglass layer. The next step is to alpha matte our texture to our hourglass. And once we do it, you can see that I already created this texture, but our color is gone. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna duplicate the hourglass layer and turn down the opacity. And I'm kind of playing with the opacity so that I have this proper mixture of texture and of color. And once you're decided, it's time to animate it. And so we're gonna go on our texture layer and hit the P and make sure that you're on the beginning of the timeline. And we're gonna be moving our texture layer. That's why we left the extra space on the sides, because we need approximately 5 keyframes. So I'm going kind of side to side so that there's enough texture change. And once we're done, I'm creating 5 keyframes. You can create more, I'm leaving it up to you. But aside from normal keyframes and easy ease keyframes, there's actually another one, and it's called toggle hold keyframe. And what it does is that it's gonna hold the position and then it kind of clicks to the other one. So we're gonna select these keyframes and select toggle hold keyframe. Now you can see the animation that it kind of, the position kind of clicks between each other, and but it's only 5 keyframes and we actually want it to repeat. You don't want to create like 100 keyframes. So for this I actually have a solution. So we're gonna hold Alt key and click the stopwatch, and that should open this extra window where you can code stuff. And we're gonna put there a simple expression, loop out brackets and speech marks, and between speech marks there's going to be ping pong. And that should repeat our stuff continuously. Alright guys, that was everything for today's video. For those who are not subscribing my channel, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, and see you next time.